Welcome back to Red Zone fans. Today we're live from planet Torval. Team Darkstar has dominated the Dread Zone circuit so far, but I think their luck will stop here. They've just been sent to one of Torval's massive Ace Heartlight toy manufacturing plants. And although the plant was shut down due to shoddy sales, one of Ace's ships still remains. Team Darkstar will have to find that ship and escape with it before Dread Zone's most elite forces hunt them down.
That's one ugly dude.
Ratchet, my nav grid shows a hoverbike up ahead, but you will have to deactivate a force field to gain access to it.
Let's go. Good job. Let's keep it up.
Folks, you sell the sizzle, and Ratchet is hot.